Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila and this is the channel where I share especially things to do with knitting and crocheting. And for today I have a new knit stitch for you. It sounds simple, it looks complicated, but if you have a little bit of patience to watch how it's actually done, it's very easy. I can promise you it's so easy. So I use needles 5.5 and this kind of deep purple yarn, dark deepy purple yarn. This is acrylic yarn which I use for this sample to show you how it's done. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20 loops. And as you can see, it's quite an interesting pattern. Maybe you didn't come across this pattern ever, but this is my new pattern on my channel and I hope you're going to like it. It's absolutely unique. I don't think you can find it anywhere else apart from my channel. So please subscribe and leave comments below. Please like my videos and I will thank you for it, and I'm thankful to you for watching my videos. So now we begin. This is our beginning. So with the right needle we grab the first loop, the first stitch, and we do not knit it. We just pass this loop onto this needle. Then we knit 2 purls. So we knit like so. This tutorial is very easy even for beginners. So 2 purls, then 2 together with a front stitch. We release both loops that we've taken with 1 loop, and then with a left needle we grab the first loop, and then we hold the second loop and we knit the first loop 1 more time. So 2 purls. So we knit these 2 loops together as a front stitch. We release them, and then with a left needle we grab this first loop, and then with a right needle we knit it like so, and then release. Then we do 2 purl stitches, 2 together with a front stitch, release, and then with the left needle we grab the first stitch and we knit it again with a front stitch. 2 purls, then 2 together, release, we knit the first loop, release, and 2, and then we knit 2 purls, 1, 2, and then the last loop we always knit it with a purl stitch. reverse the work, and now we do not need the first needle as usual. And then what we do, this is a second row, so this pattern has 2 rows. I've forgotten to mention that. 2 rows, and as you can see, we should now knit purl stitches and front stitches. The first 2 are front stitches because on the first row they have been purl stitches. So 2 front stitches, then we need 2 purl stitches. So basically what we see on from the first row from the pattern, we knit it as we see it. So we see the purl, we knit the purl, we see a stitch, we knit a stitch, and this is basically all. This is all you need to know about this pattern. As you can see, it's easy enough for beginners. 2 purls. So what you need to do, and the last one purl, is to look at the bottom lower stitches. So you see front stitches, you need front stitches. You see purl stitches, you need purl stitches. And then we repeat the first row the same way, just like that. So purl, so 1 we do not need, then we need purl, purl, 2 purls, 2 together, release, grab the yarn, we knit it with a front stitch, and this is it. You need a purl stitch and a purl stitch, and then just the same thing you repeat over and over again. It's that simple. So I wish you luck in your projects. Maybe you can use this pattern for something creative, for something beautiful, for your crafts, for your hobby. And I will be glad if you tag me and we could knit together and crochet together with my channel. So don't be shy, subscribe, click likes, and comment below what else would you like for me to do on my channel, which you're going to benefit from. At the moment I'm doing a lot of samples, a lot of stitches, because I think they are a bit more unique on my channel than anything else. So don't shy away and just use my stitches and I'll be happy for you. So thank you for everything. I'm Anna Vanila and I'm sending to you lots of love and creative mind, creative knitting, and wish you luck in creative knitting. So thank you very much for watching and see you in another video. Bye.